In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a digital product on Wix. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Go to www.wix.com and enter your login details. If you've forgotten your password, there's an easy reset option directly on the site. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard. From your dashboard, select the website where you plan to sell your digital product. Click on Edit Site to open up the Wix editor. Before you proceed, ensure that the Wix Stores app is installed on your site. Although it's mainly required for physical products, having this setup will help in managing all types of product sales seamlessly. In the editor, locate the Store Pages option. This is where all the items you wish to sell will live. Click on the product page to work on the specifics of your digital product offering. Once you're on the product page, you should click on Manage Products. From there, head over to Dashboard, select Store Products, and click on Plus New Product. At this stage, for digital offerings, make sure you select Digital Product rather than a physical one. Fill out the essential details such as the product name. Think along the lines of ebook, ultimate guide for a catchy title. Craft a compelling description and upload any related images or screenshots that showcase your product in its best light. Next, you'll need to upload the actual digital file. Click Upload File and choose your digital product, whether it's a PDF, an ebook, or another type of downloadable content. Wix provides an automatic delivery service, so a download link is sent to customers as soon as they complete their purchase. Be sure to set the price of your product. Thoughtfully consider if you need to offer customers instructions for use in case your product requires activation or setup steps. Adding tags or categories can enhance navigation within your store, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. Now, let's turn our attention to payment methods. Navigate to Dashboard, then Settings, and click on Accept Payments. Make sure to enable popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit cards to give your customers more options. Run a few test checkouts in advance to ensure the process works smoothly. Once everything is in place, it's time for the big moment, publishing your product. Make sure it's visible on your store page. And don't forget to customize the Add to Cart button, layout, and styling to make everything cohesive with your site's design. Always preview the final product page to ensure it's visually appealing and fully functional. After a customer purchases, know that Wix automatically manages the email delivery of their download link. You can easily track sales under Dashboard and Store Orders. This is also where you can resend download links if customers face any issues. Here are some additional tips to excel in selling digital products on Wix. High-quality previews can entice buyers, bundles or package deals offer more value, and clear download instructions can prevent customer confusion. By monitoring your sales performance with Wix Analytics, you can constantly refine your strategy. Finally, remember to protect your work by clearly stating your license or usage terms. Happy selling, and best of luck with your Wix digital product store.